two popular project management platforms, one crucial decision, which one truly delivers. On one side, Zoho Projects, famed for its flexibility and user-friendly experience. On the other, Bitrix24, packed with features for teams of every size. Today, we're putting both tools to everyday team tasks, testing project planning, collaboration, pricing, integrations, and more. Let's skip the marketing lingo and focus on what really matters. We're keeping score for each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. Let's get started. So here's the game plan. We're going to break these two down across the stuff that actually matters. Price, features, how well they help you and your team collaborate, how easy they are to use, integrations, because who wants another tool that doesn't play nice, and, last but not least, their overall ecosystem. Okay, ready? Let's jump in. Starting off with price. Honestly, Zoho Projects is a steal. It's super affordable and the pricing is actually pretty clear. Almost shockingly so for SaaS. You even get a solid free tier. But heads up, the cost can sneak up on you if you go wild with add-ons, so watch for that. Now, Bitrix24, this one's a little chaotic. There's a free version, which is great, and tons of bundles, almost too many. The problem is, by the time you assemble the full feature set, costs can creep up, and the pricing structure might leave you scratching your head. So, in price, Zoho Projects definitely walks away with the win here. Let's talk features, because this is where Bitrix24 flexes. Sure, Zoho Projects gives you all the classics, tasks, time tracking, Gantt charts. It nails project management basics, no question. But what if you want more, like CRM stuff, social feeds, or webmail, all in one place? Bitrix24 is like, hold my coffee, I've got you. It's absolutely packed. But, and this is important, it can feel a bit cluttered. The learning curve is real. Still, if you're chasing that all-in-one dream, Bitrix24 shines. This round goes to Bitrix24 shines. This round goes to Bitrix24. Alright, collaboration. You know those times when your team chat is blowing up and you wish everything was in one place? Zoho Projects covers the basics, comments, mentions, and even integrates with Zoho Click for Chat. Pretty cool. But next to Bitrix24's smorgasbord of real-time chat, calls, sharing, company wiki, it's clear who's boss. Although, just a word of warning, some of those shiny collaborative features are only on higher plans, so keep that in mind. But overall, if your team really works together a ton, Bitrix24 is the social butterfly here. Quick pit stop. Did you know Bitrix24 actually started life as a social intranet before becoming this all-in-one beast? No wonder it nails that collaboration stuff. Usability. Okay, so this one's big for me. Zoho Projects is just so straightforward to use. The UI is clean, honestly, almost relaxing. It's not trying to be more complicated than it is. To be fair, you won't get wild design themes, but honestly, do you even need them? Now, Bitrix24 lets you customize all sorts of things, which sounds awesome until you first log in and go, wait, where do I even start? Great if you want total control, but for newbies, it's a lot. So on ease of use, Zoho Projects definitely takes the cake. Integrations. Oh, and here's something cool. Both actually integrate with a ton. Zoho Projects works best with, you guessed it, the Zoho ecosystem, but it also plays well with staples like Google Drive and Dropbox. Some integrations are only for higher tier plans though. Bitrix24, also jam-packed with an open API and a big marketplace for plugins, and you've got stuff for CRM, websites, even phones. Sometimes it takes a bit of tinkering outside the Bitrix universe to make things work though. So on integrations, honestly it's a tie. Both have their quirks but both. At their integrations, honestly it's a tie. Now, the ecosystem. If you've ever wanted to live inside your software, okay, weird thought, but you get me? This is for you. Zoho Projects is a star inside the giant Zoho One family, finance, HR, CRM, you name it. Apps for everything. It's best if you're already dipping toes into Zoho stuff. Bitrix24, meanwhile, is basically its own country. CRM, HR, chat, websites, the works. The real issue? Sometimes it gets a little crowded and you might not even need all those extras. But both ecosystems are impressive, so I can't pick a side here. It's a draw. Alright, let's do a quick visual breakdown. Here's where each one pulls ahead and where they overlap. It's pretty clear when you line up the categories side by side. So, here's where I'm at. If you want straightforward, budget-friendly project management that doesn't make you tear your hair out, Zoho Projects is just reliable and smooth. But if your needs are sprawling and you want to throw the whole kitchen sink at your workflow, chat, CRM, collaborations galore, Bitrix24 is wild and kind of brilliant for bigger multi-team orgs. There's your real-world matchup. Hey, if this helped clear things up at all, give us a follow for more hands-on SaaS smackdowns. Got something you want compared next? Drop it in the comments.